Is your check engine light on with code P0442? Don't waste hundreds at a repair shop. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you the 2 most common fixes that cost less than $10 so you can solve the problem yourself. If the P0442 error code pops up on your scanner, this video will walk you through 2 practical ways to tackle it right at home. First, open up the Zeus app to run a diagnostic scan and confirm the P0442 code. This indicates that the evaporative emission control system has detected a small leak, typically measuring between 0.02 and 0.04 inches in diameter. Here are 2 straightforward, do-it-yourself approaches. You can try to resolve this issue. Method A. The gas cap. Start by opening your gas tank and inspecting the condition of your gas cap. Spray the gas cap area with WD-40 and clean it thoroughly. Inspect the gas cap thoroughly to see if dirt or grime is preventing a proper seal, and wipe it down with WD-40. If the cap shows signs of wear, cracks, or damage, you should replace it with a new, matching model to resolve the leak and clear the code. Method B. The canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is typically located behind the intake manifold, right next to the throttle body. For this demonstration, we've taken the purge valve out ahead of time, but you should locate yours right on the vehicle while the engine is running. Gently press your fingertip against the vacuum port to test how it's functioning. If you feel a continuous suction pulling on your finger, the valve is stuck open and needs to be swapped out for a new one. Simply unbolt the old purge valve and swap it out with a brand new replacement part. To wrap things up, here are the 2 most practical ways to fix the P0442 error code. Once the repair is complete, open the Zeus app to clear the code. Then tap the rescan button to make sure everything is running smoothly and the issue is fully resolved. If this video helped you fix P0442, give it a like, subscribe to Engine Clinic, and comment below whether replacing the gas cap or EVAP component solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair guide.